Wake up to the benefits of sound sleep. If you haven't heard already, getting a sound sleep probably is the one of the most important health intervention one can do. The one aspect of sleep related to the nervous system not talked about too much is something known as glymphatic system. Now, for many years, people believe that while we have a lymphatic system in the parts of the body to take away waste products from the body, brain seems to be an isolated organ that does not have its own lymphatic system. But of late, people have discovered, and the scientists have discovered, a separate system which exists within the brain known as glymphatic system. And it is considered vitally important to take away waste products from the cell of the brain. And surprisingly, rather I'll say unsurprisingly, the glymphatic system is active only while we are sleeping, and it is completely inactive during our wake hours. Now, it is also shown that the glymphatic system has an important role in scavenging waste products which are responsible for many mental diseases known as age-related cognitive decline, otherwise known as dementia, Alzheimer. So you can clearly see the relationship between the sleep and maintaining good brain function. As we get older, it's so crucially important, so go to sleep right now. The importance of good night's sleep is very understated. Here is why you should focus in getting good, sound sleep every night. So make sure your kids, you, your loved ones, they are taking good night's sleep. Take care, sleep tight.